Hey, you figured it out yet?
No.
We'll figure it out.
Quit.
Oh, they deleted the fucking badges? Idiots. Okay, well this...
it's a 328
Open my door! Open my door! What the fuck? Okay then. What'd it do? It turned over. It died? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hey. Do what it do. What'd you say it do? It turned over and died.
Yeah.
Come turn over again. Turn over. It turned over and didn't crank.
Well, not that time.
Huh? Huh?
You didn't hear it crank up earlier?
No, it didn't crank up. Shit. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh. Hey. Huh. Are you firing it?
Yeah.
Are you hitting the fire button? Hey!
What?
Did you put any starter fluid in it?
Starter fluid?
Yeah. Gas.
There should be gas in it. And
Huh?
They don't say it's on E.
What's it saying? Turn it where I can hear it.
Huh?
Turn it where I can hear it.
Turn what up?
You said it's saying it's on E. I mean, it
It's
ain't
not
on
on
E. Okay, well, I can't hear what it's saying.
It's like on a quarter of a tank.
That's what it said?
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. I was just hollering at it. Come on, you BMW. What do you stand for? Ooh, I heard that. Ooh. Come on. Well, hey. You're out of crank.
Out of what?
You're out of crank.
What does that mean?
Huh?
What does that mean?
It won't crank. You're out of crank. So, Google how to order some crank.
Okay.
No, we really got to figure out what the hell's wrong with this damn thing. I mean, it looks so damn good to be just sitting here. Come on, you son of a bitch. Come on, motherfucker. Crank. What's really wrong with your ass, you stubborn bitch? What'd you get? What'd you order?
A new mass airflow sensor.
New mass airflow sensor. So, alright, so I don't know for sure. Just undo, since this is a brand new mass airflow sensor. Undo the negative and let it reset itself. Only thing I know to do. I mean, it's just, the BMW is just so fucking, what's wrong with you, B? Big man wagon. Big man's wagon. Well, no, I don't like that. Big men's wheels. Big man wheels. There you go.
Break my wallet.
That's a good one.
What goes right here?
What?
'Cause I switched this around and then it turned over the first time I cranked.
Right.
But I still don't know what goes there.
Something mean. Something real good goes here. Something that makes sense goes here.
I mean, it's all the. This is all the way hooked up to my injectors. They hooked onto here. So that's more than likely what it is.
It's gotta
can't
be.
find it.
Gotta be. And let's see, you got one back here in the back too, plugged in. Yeah. Well, that might be the injector. Yeah. All right. Well, Samro. Hey, you figured it out yet?
No.
We'll figure it out.
Quit.
Oh, Daddy's just playing with you. Well, my little beanstalk, I don't know. We got to figure it out, though. I'm tired of you not having a ride. I know you're tired of not having a ride. I know you're just tired of being tired of being tired of tired. You'll figure it out, Lou. We'll figure it out. Diagram. Okay. Did you see where this was?
Nope. I don't even have any idea what it is. And I looked it up with the Google picture thing.
What? And it didn't show it?
Nope.
That's fucked up. You didn't look at the right one then. That should show...
It kept showing different motors.
Different motors?
Yeah, it showed a 2JZ.
What is this?
Not a 2JZ.
2J4?
No.
Well, seriously, what is this? A 2J what?
I don't know what it is.
What?
I think it's like an N55 or something.
Oh, they deleted the fucking badges? Idiots. Okay, well this...
it's a 328i.
Open my door! Open my door! What the fuck? Okay then. Well, they don't want nobody to know what the fuck this somebody. What'd you say?
328i.
It's a 328i. Well, then that's what you gotta look up, son.
I did. They all got different motors.
Oh, fuck.
Well, not all of them. But...
Well, that's what you're gonna have to do. That's the only way you can figure it out. Or get on the site, get on the BMW site, and ask anybody what is supposed to be plugged in there. I'm gonna take a picture right quick. Picture. And I'm fixing to upload this video, so this will help too. Alright guys, there's no wire plugged in here. We got to figure out what wire goes in here, and this is the what? What is it?
I don't know what it is, but all the fuel injectors are like, this is what the fuel injector is connected to, so.
The fuel injection harness is only thing I know to call it, but if you can see right here, it's right on the top of all the fuel injectors. It's right here. All of them's got plug-ins that goes into the fuel injectors. Bam, 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 and then at the end of it, it's got like for a plug-in, something to plug in. There's no wires for it to be plugged in. The only thing there is this right here, and I don't think that plugs into it. There's no way it to be plugged in. So anyway, if y'all can, please let us know what that is. Be highly appreciated. Anyway, Justin's just ready to get his what'd you call it? Break my wallet vehicle. Anyway guys, help us out, and we'll see you on the next one. Probably be with this one here, but peace out. Hey Justin, tell them to help you out.
I need help.
Say it again.
No.
Say I need help, god dang it. Look y'all, he's sweating. He needs help bad. He's gonna sit out here and try to figure it out. What'd you find out?
I'm just switching it around.
So okay. Well, I don't know if that's a good thing to do. Anyway, try to figure it out. Guys, let us know what y'all think. Let us know what y'all know. Help us out. Until next time, subscribe to the channel Country Rider, aka Sean Butler. We love y'all. God bless you.